Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're taking a look at Great Value breaded fish sticks made from minced fish. Sustainability. Okay, I don't know if that means they're farm raised or not. It's certified sustainable seafood. Okay, not quite sure what that means, but it's a pound and 8 ounces. There's 44 fish sticks in the box. The box is $4.62, which makes it about 10 cents per stick. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Great Value fish sticks. These are the cheapest fish I could find per ounce at Walmart online. Minced Alaskan Pollock, wheat flour, enriched wheat flour, blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of blah, blah, blah here. The first ingredient is Alaskan Pollock. And it looks like it might just be a lot of breading, I'm not sure. 6 servings per container. A serving is 7 sticks. Calories are 260. Let's go ahead, get it open, see what they look like. Now, I'm using a new mic, new camera. So I'm trying to learn my way through this. So let me know what you think. Okay, first thing I see I don't like is the fact it's not in like a plastic bag where you can reclose it easily. So I'll probably end up putting it in a Ziploc bag. About the size of my finger. Let's go ahead and get a bunch of these out. Lay them out. Here, that should be good enough. Bake. Preheated oven. I'm using my toast oven. It's preheated to 425. Place frozen fish in single layer on shallow baking dish. Bake 18 to 20 minutes. For best results, flip halfway through baking. So what I'm going to do is set a timer for 10 minutes. Put them in a toast oven. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Flip them. And try them again, get another 10 minutes. Okay, I did them 9 minutes, flipped them over, did them another 9 minutes. You can see when I flipped them, they're kind of mushy. That's what the batter looks like. Let's try that by itself. Gotta say, that is surprisingly good. It's what the fish looks like. Give that a little taste on its own. The fish is a little bland. I mean, it's not bad, it's just bland. Let's try everything together once. Now, I gotta be honest, I really wasn't expecting much out of these. But for the price, I gotta say I'm pleasantly surprised. I thought they were all gonna be mushy, but they actually turned out rather decent. The back sides were kind of mushy. So that one's nice and toasted, or cooked, or baked, or whatever you want to call it. Now, I didn't say degrees in my pan, but I think next time I might give it a quick spray of olive oil. And if you get these, I think what you're going to want to do, instead of flipping them halfway through, flip them every 5 minutes. Just an idea. I'm not going to do a bunch more just to find out, but you might want to flip them every 5 minutes, do them from 20 minutes total. Okay, price-wise, are they a bargain? I think at 10 cents a stick, I'm going to say yes, because you make half a box, you're looking at, what, 240 or so, 250, and that's going to be a lot of food and a lot of calories. So, taste-wise, for the price, I'm going to give it a solid 5. I think they got to adjust their cooking instructions or something, because that one side's turning out real nice and the other side's kind of mushy. So let's go ahead and take a half point off for that. Packaging, that bag thing, they should have a resealable bag, because I don't know, most people are going to eat 44 fish sticks in one setting. So that takes us down to about half off for instructions, half off for the mushiness, half off for the bag, 1.5 points -5, about 3.5 points. Yeah, I'm gonna give this about 3.5 points overall. If you see them and you like fish sticks, I'd definitely give them a try. If you try them, let me know what you think. Okay, 3.5. They're around $5 a box. About $4.50 a box for 44 of them. If you try them, let me know. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And always, thank you for watching.